Hi guys, welcome to DIY Solutions UK. Today I have a Subaru Forester. It's an all-wheel drive and it's a 2004 model car. And I'm just going to jump start it. So what we have to do, so this remote is not working and I'm gonna open it. I think the battery has gone on it. Or the battery completely dead. So we need to open from this bonnet catch, and the bonnet is open. So guys, we're just gonna use this bracket here. See, that's a battery here on this one. That's the positive terminal, the red one, and that's the negative. So guys, I'm just going to connect this power bank. First I'm going to do the negative, then positive. As soon as I connected positive, the alarm switched on. So I'm going to press the remote button. So guys, make sure you put the jump start in a proper place, so when you start with the vibration it doesn't fall down. So I'm going in to start it, and as when I turn the key, the lights came on. Press unlock button twice quickly. It's unlock, and I'm going to start it. Voila,
That's started.